Good morning, Tubes. It's another Cheap Car Sunday. Alright, Tubes. Alright, Tubes. Alright, Tubes. Alright, so we found some screws to make this work. Alright, Tubes. Alright, Tubes.
Adam's doing some heavy-duty wiring in this thing, destroying it. No.
Uh-oh. Oh, crap.
Oh no! Look what's there, Tubes. Look what's right there. Oh no!
And then on here.
Oh, and the ground barnacle, which is absolutely my favorite.
It's mine too.
Oh, barnacles, Patrick. Barnacle. You're like, why does he have so many wires coming out the same hole? The test is the same thing on the
Where'd he go? Oh, see, I was like, well, you know, the wind's gonna be blowing and blah blah blah, and then he's like, oh, I'm just gonna, you know, but Ron's not home. Ron's out having some, you know, personal space time, and yeah. See, I was like, yeah, definitely do that, because
Well, I
don't want to have to paint the Lincoln right now.
Oh, come on. We want to paint it later, right? You start writing it, see the gas wall on the side of it. You're like, ah!
Yeah, god damn it. So he painted some stripperella in a can. What you doing, buddy?
I found the brush to start scrubbing the bitch.
Well, all the wire brushes are hanging out somewhere on that bench. Meh. And meanwhile, I have some Gatorade. I'm trying to hydrate and get drunk at the same time. Can you guess what's in my Gatorade, YouTuber?
Oh. Hey, look, a turbo tag.
It's like, well, if you wouldn't have painted it Cheeto yellow in the first place. It's literally the color of your shirt. Did you plan this?
No, actually I didn't. Well, I get some paper towels, because goddamn it. That's funny. Actually, I just realized that. I'm like, wait a minute, yeah, you're right. Fuck.
Yeah, that. Oh, never mind. Wrong part, T4. When we got this car, it had a check engine light for some catalytic converter stuff. I shined the light down in there and the catalytic converter looks fine. It's intact. But it had a goofy O2 sensor on it. And this header that he got, that you just saw in a quick clip, had an O2 sensor in it. So this is what was in there. We put it in there.
Yeah, our buddy gave that to us.
Oh, there's the header. So this is what was in there. It doesn't even look like the right style, because the one that was in there had that cage around it.
Yeah.
Where, oh, I don't know, the stuff could flow through. So we plugged that in, fired it up, and we didn't even clear the hose and the engine light went out. So, and it's idling normal.
So if it's idling normal, just that, because it was trying to either warm itself up or something, trying to rich it up.
Yeah. So, do you want to try and? We might not have to replace the idle air control valve if that was it.
I'm hoping, because that's $100.
Yeah. So if it runs fine after this, I would return that.
What's up, man? I got my fucking Civic here, dude. We're fucking pros here. We like the power. So I put this in here for 10 horsepower. You're like, oh, fuck this shit. We're totally kidding.
This is Adam using the right tool for the wrong job.
I know exactly, but sometimes the wrong tool is the right fit. You're like, wait a minute, he shouldn't just, you know. Like, oh, look at that, it's coming right out. Yeah. Self-dabber. Oh. You're like, no, it's loose. Why don't you just, oh God, it's out of there.
Yeah, we'll just let that roll for a little bit. Adam's gonna replace the spark plugs.
This is the Goosey one?
The first one you just went for is the Goosey one. That one, I'm scared on that one. I've got like
Goosebumps all over the place.
I must have knocked 1,000 times. Not from the other side.
It runs like it's supposed to run.
Well, now that we accidentally fixed that O2 thing, I bet you she's gonna get even better if you look on me.
Oh, I shouldn't have ate that crusty burger.
Yeah,
I'm getting really nervous.
because I gotta work it. This is worse than my mom's truck, because hers were about seized in there. This is worse.
Watch, there's gonna be anti-seize on it.
Yeah,
That's loosening it.
okay. God, I can see why you didn't want to.
Yeah, I'm like, nope.
Not it! I'm it.
Okay, we're just sending it. Fuck it.
You want to try and use? Well, I don't want to use the impact on it.
Oh, because that's a bright idea. That's Todd.
That'll really rip the threads out of her.
Never.
Oh no, Todd's broken his fair share of bolts and stuff. I had to let him borrow one.
It's coming out.
I don't know where my
Wait a minute. Is that a good love or a bad love?
It's longer than the snap.
Oh, no.
Come on, you did it. Not the,
Shut up!
not the flex head, Jerry.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. What the fuck did they do to this thing?
It's got your favorite head on it at least.
I can't stand these things.
It's like, what the? I hate the.
You're like, okay, it's wiggling. You're like, oh my god, stop it!
It's like using the breaker bar.
Okay, I gotta get on. I gotta get on my knees and tell her I love her.
Like you're going the wrong way, mister.
Well, it feels good to it.
Well. Okay, good. That's coming out now. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I hope there's no threads attached to it.
Well, this day we were really attached to this car. There it goes. Oh yeah. Nasty. Nasty.
Hey, I have an idea. It's only going to take an hour to set up, but be right back, tubes. Cornhole down there, and I'm going to take a look. Well, you guys are going to be able to look too. Oh yeah, that piston is. Yeah, it's as bright as it's going to get. So you're at the very top of the piston. I can't really see anything. Oh, there we go. The light was turned down. Okay, that one doesn't look too bad. Go back to the first one. The light was really dim. I didn't have the light all the way up. Yeah, that one's really deposit-y looking. Okay, so let's go to the third one down. And you sprayed Shmoo down there, right? Yeah, piston, it's a little scruggly. I bet you it's because that O2 sensor wasn't working properly. Yeah. Yeah, there we go.
That's back to high idling. I'm changing that next.
Are you sure it's not because it's cold?
Well, actually, it's idling lower. It used to idle higher.
I think it's just because it's cold.
Well, we'll find out. We're gonna drive it on.
Test drive.
Should have idled down.
Plunk. Jeff Fullerton. See you later.
Yeah, should have idled down. Oh.
It idles down.
Oh, now it's idling up again. I'm changing it.
Yeah, I think you're gonna have to.
Should be at op temp. See? It's idling at 2 grand. I could literally, I have my foot off the accelerator. It is driving us.
So, okay, the idle air control valve is fucking.
And it should be at operating temp.
It is. It's in the middle of the gauge.
So, look, you could literally fucking cruise down the road like this. Like,
You got like cruise control at 35 miles an hour.
see? Now, we're going to put it.
Look,
but tell everybody. My favorite is I got to see that this morning.
Hey,
I'm like,
you want to pull over and look at it? Let's say, because if it's just dumped off there and someone's gonna tow it later.
I want the 5-gallon gas can that's
In the thing.
what 5-gallon gas can?
It's got a 5-gallon gas can in it.
Really?
Oh, there's a rusted piece of metal there.
Well, free score.
Mine. It's a good. It just needs a lid.
Well, it's not.
But it's like almost brand new. Okay, let's go. Oh, I got a free gas can.
Bye-bye. Jimmy's like, they're gonna be like, why is that thing so fucking loud? Somebody over here took off the snorkel tube.
Yeah.
We're waiting for something to come in the mail. We just haven't got it yet.
Yeah, it's on its way.
It's 18 grand. I'm just like, no foot.
Yeah, God, it's fucking.
At
Alright, Tibbs.
55 mile an hour.
See you back at the house. Okay, so it's actually the next day. Met you guys back at the house. And we've got some things came in from eBay. We got frame, sway bar to frame
Look.
bushings.
Look pushing.
Yeah, and then we got new links from energy suspension. I think for all this, I had like less than 30 bucks into it. So this side.
Is there supposed to be bushing around this?
Yes.
Okay,
That's why we're here.
I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is, hey, hi guys, look at this.
So what I'll do is I'll hand you tools and you get that off and then we'll put that in
That's a
there.
huge nut.
Okay, let's see if we can get in here and see what Adam's looking at.
He's not doing this right. I fucking hate you guys. Shut up!
So the Honda setup uses a 12 and a 12, and then it's 14 and 14 on the energy suspension.
Oh, yeah, fuck this guy.
So yeah, we're just gonna do this.
Mother of God.
Do I need to get the torch and heat
Is
it
this
up?
loosen? This is already set to loosen, right?
Yeah.
Here.
So
it's
it's
nutted here, and then it's all bent right here. You know. This is leaking all over here. Get out of here! Hey, something's on fire!
Oh yeah.
Ah!
You're just heating up the rubber. Let me see that.
Yeah, I just see that. There's a nut right there, God.
Yeah, no, but you're heating up the rubber.
Well, who's heating up the rubber now, bitch? It's on fire! Oh, God!
Well, I was trying to get all the heat on the
Wow,
nut.
you're not. There's
Just, you know.
on fire. Just
You know.
shut up. Shut up!
Whoa! Yeah, it's on fire.
The simple times. Right? Sitting around a fire and crack like that. That bitch is still burning. It's kind of like the sensations you feel between your legs after you're done with her. Then again, it could be crabs.
Oof.
Well, ooh, that smells nice. My like. This is
That bushing is expanding.
Okay, we're gonna get with the old I'm gonna kick the shit out of the ratchet deal. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna probably snap this fucking adapter.
Well, we have a million of those.
Do we really?
Do we really, though?
Yeah, he's getting great, huh? Ow! Fuck! See it? Just did it again. I'm stripping the top nut. What the hell? You're like, well, this is a Honda. It should be easy. Well, you come in here and fuck it. Yeah, it is. Kiss my
It's moving.
ass.
It's moving. Oh, yeah.
You're like, well, he's just skinny and doesn't really have any muscles. And we're like, well, thank you for pointing out everything we already know. Damn it.
Okay. Got the new link going in. The old bent broken one out.
You're like, wow, that's good, right? You're like, no.
Yeah, sure. That'll give you extra wheel travel. Oh, put it on there! I start screaming.
That's good, almost.
Okay, I'm just making sure the bushing gets in the slot there.
Damn it.
Freaking destroys the camera. Oh, you destroyed it!
Well, somebody had to, because obviously not.
Oh, you're gonna have to start. Okay, hold the ratchet on top and then use the.
Well, I'm not just trying to hold the ratchet. Just
Like you got it backwards, you're destroying it.
obviously, I don't know what I'm doing. You know.
Almost there. I'm waiting until I can't see daylight to the other side. I can't wait to see how this thing drives like this.
You're like, I can't go driving because I don't have any gas. You're like, yes you do. Oh, no.
No more of those days.
And, I don't know if anybody is like, I accidentally deleted the rear seatbelt. Actually, I don't know what the other end is anyways, but that's another story. Going, it's riding in the center of the seats! Just against, that's it.
Okay, we're good. It's snug.
I don't think that's, you're like, I gotta send that down to him. Just wait till it snaps.
Yep, we're good. Anyways, oh look guys, our first performance part. Okay, so, that's enough of that. So we got first bushing in there. I kind of ordered it on a whim, but you know, all the other bushings that...
Of course I can't see shit. Fuck!
Oh, would you like me to hold this flashlight?
In my face! Oh yeah, I totally put that bracket on backwards. God damn it.
Yeah, there you go.
What's going on?
And then you just need to move it over towards you a little bit. There you go. Yeah, there you go. But yeah, I think this sway bar is pretty much, you know, standard on a lot of the Civics. I mean, you really don't need much. Without that bushing, with that missing bushing over here, it still handled pretty good. It handled better on one side than it did the other.
I'm gonna have to get over here. This pisses me off. Sorry,
You're so close. That's what she said.
Well, there's one way to solve this problem. Start hitting shit with a hammer. Oh! Where's Al? Oh, save!
Are you okay?
I almost dropped my beer.
Oh, Jesus.
I caught him there. I was like,